How to fix can't add card to Apple Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can fix cannot add card to Apple Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you are trying to add card to the wallet, which is the Apple Wallet application over here, but then it says that it's not been able to add the card. So let me show you what the issue is. You might tap the plus icon from the top right hand side, or you might tap the add button from here, but you're not being able to see. So you can see, look for the add to wallet button in apps, emails and websites. So whenever you're trying to purchase a certain app, in that case you can actually add app or card to your Apple Wallet. So right from the application itself, the Apple Wallet is saying you cannot add a card. So what you can instead do is, if you're trying to purchase an application which could be a paid app, you can try to add that paid app, and then from there automatically whenever it asks you to enter the payment method, you can use your card in that way, and that card will get now added to your Apple Wallet. So you can't add it from the app, but you can add it from external means. So this way hopefully you would have fixed the can't add card to Apple Wallet issue. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you sure in the next video.